a 20 legacy years of formership. Just to give you a slight impression, kung kilaya yun ni Amor, kung Brad Bongtan, nuay si Brad Bongtan, nuay kapatirang Trisquillo, nuay Brian Alfiara. Legit kel, alas 10 del noche, tadurmi si Brad Bong nisita yung 2000, anda mo record al kansyon. Thankfully, because of my root, my senior chapter, which is Pilar College, headed by, of course, rest in peace, Ronel Yee, UGT that time. Kaya, kung kapatirang Trisquillo, bagong simula, and the rest is Brian Alfi's history. My legacy is because of the people around me. Nuay lang at kilki, unong-unong minana. Dahil lang nakita man akong Sis Rose. Now, I'd like to give you naman another person who's important in our lives. This is the present. Brother, sabi yun, okay to speech, but let me just speak about your history. When everybody is turning their backs on Zamboanga City, including the two councils before, there is one person who dreamed. Yan dreamlek, ito lang siya kasi uno ng new termino. And this is now Marlon.
Yes!
So whoever, look, everybody knows from the political views, I am a National Council officer. Everybody here knows that this is a global community chapter. Kung ano sinasabi ko? Thou shall not touch Zamboanga City. Zamboanga will remain one, whatever the Constitution they'll follow. Because of that, I have a gift in behalf of our sponsors in Manatee, Manila. I'd like to open you one thing. I hope this would be a remembrance for Brad Bongtan, which is actually you, Brad Bongtan, giving this to Brother Marlon. Ibahin natin. This is now. Let's open this.
Nice.
Yeah. Don't you like this picture? This only means that we only have one Zamboanga City Council forever. Because of that, this is my next song and I hope you love this. Chairmans, Gensec Chairmans, thank you very much.
This is for you.
Hindi kita kilig yun, puta. DJ, let's go.